No more thank you, happy holidays, Merry Christmas that drivers easily can send to their customers. And one thing I want you guys to pay, especially drivers, to take a notice. This is not a permanent removal. It's a temporary removal because they did not extend the picture to a full screen to cover that area. That means temporarily they removed that. So it's not a glitch. As some drivers say, it's a glitch. They do not want you to trigger or send somebody that doesn't believe in holidays or doesn't believe in Merry Christmas for you to send and trigger discomfort to a customer. So you're no longer allowed to say thank you for your tip or your gratitude. You're no longer allowed to say, oh, it's by your door. As some of us would say, it's delivered to front door. See, we have been, an option has been removed from us on temporary basis. And I'm pretty sure when all holidays are over, so around probably the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th of January, we're going to see that option back available. But I can give you a little trick. Before you complete that delivery, click on that message icon and you will still be able to send whatever you want. Sometime when the customer says, hand it to me, and then they say, leave it by the door, that's exactly what I do. I click on the message icon on the bottom left corner, click on attach, take a picture, send it, and then attach my thank you message. That's exactly how we can bypass what they do not want us to do. So, if you believe, like I believe in sending a message, happy holiday. I do not want to trigger, that discomfort with Merry Christmas. But I will continue sending happy holidays. I will continue sending my thank you message for the gratitude. Even if they did not gave me a tip on that delivery, I'll still continue because that triggers for them to actually think about why I have not. And the next time, there's a higher chance that they might. So, now you know that Doordash do not want you to send to your customers happy greetings, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy New Year. I don't think that option will come back before New Year's. So, Happy New Year's. And I want to say to every single one of you that's still watching this video, Happy Holidays, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year's, and be blessed.